Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best dual monitor arms you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. For a comfortable workflow, the right display weapons will make a world of difference. For a comfortable sitting position and overall wellness, having a screen at the right height and position for you is important. Everyone is different, but as a general rule, your eyes should be level with the top of the screen, and you should be sat far enough away that your fingertips can just touch it. To avoid light glare, and if you have more than one monitor, you may also need to tilt or swivel your screen. The best monitor arms can help you achieve all that with minimum of fuss and effort. Verify that your display truly accepts mounting until you select your monitor arm. If so, it will need to have the right bracket size for the display arm. The VESA standard, which is used in most modern monitors today, is compatible with all the monitor weapons on this list. Be mindful, though, that you will need to add a VESA adapter plate to your iMac for this task. You can now do so at point of purchase from the Apple Store. If you haven't found the dream screen yet, then check out our roundup of the best 4K monitors and the best MacBook Pro monitors. I have prepared this video guide for the best dual monitor arms to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Amazon Basics Premium Single Monitor Stand. For a variety of reasons, Amazon Basics Premium Single Monitor Stand is number 1 on our best monitor weapons list. Second, the initial setup is very basic. Then once you're ready, extending and retracting the arm, tilting it to adjust your reading angles, and flipping it from landscape to portrait mode are pretty intuitive. You just need a light touch. The monitor can extend the performance of a monitor up to 25 in, 64 centimeters, and has a height range of 13 in, 33 centimeters. You can secure the monitor arm to a wall, or attach it to the edge of a desk or table that's between 0.4 inches and 2.5 inches thick. When you're not using it, you can fold the arm back over its base for easy storage. It will hold up a monitor up to 32 inches in size and 25 pounds in weight, and can be tilted back 70 degrees and forward 5 degrees. The cable management system isn't particularly great, but on the whole this is one of the most flexible and sturdy monitor arms around, and all at very reasonable price. 4. Ergotron LX Desk Mount LCD Arm. The Ergotron LX Desk Mount Arm, a near runner-up in our list of the best monitor weapons, ticks all our boxes. It's lightweight while still being sturdy, like the Amazon Basics model. It's easy to set up, and you can fold it away. You can use it to stretch your display up to in 64 centimeters and the monitor height up to in, although we would prefer its sister model if you're taller than average, number 06 on our list. The system of cable management is very strong, the overall design is aesthetically appealing, and the only black mark against it in fact is that it is slightly more costly than other versions. 3. Ergotron LX Dual Stacking Arm. The Ergotron LX Dual Stacking Arm might be the monitor arm for you if you want to have the option of stacking your monitors on top of each other and side by side. It has height adjustment of up to 33 centimeters, and if you need it to adjust higher still, there is a tall option available. When you are not using them, the foldable arms tuck away beautifully. If you want to go all out with a complete setup, then you can configure up to 4 displays at once by buying 2 weapons and other accessories. 2. NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount Stand. You don't want to spend a lot of money on your monitor arm, but you still want a good thing? NB North Bayou Monitor Desk Mount Stand, which costs a mere fraction of the price of other versions on this list, is then recommended. It is both stable and easy to modify using the gas spring system. You can tilt your display between plus 35 and minus 50 degrees, rotate it from minus 30 to plus 85 degrees, move your screen between landscape and portrait, and use the swivel feature to share your screen with others. It can be mounted via clamp or grommet, and we are generally amazed by the outstanding value that this monitor arm represents. 1. 3M Dual Swivel Monitor Arm. If your monitor is especially large, then the 3M Dual Swivel Monitor Arm with a weight capacity of 30 pounds, 1.6 kilograms is one of the best monitor arms on the market today for your needs. This durable and effective model can be mounted in 2 different ways, either clamp it to a 4.25 in thick desk or use the grommet mount to suit desks up to 2.25 in thick. The monitor arm offers height adjustability of in 19 centimeters once you're set up, stretches 19.5 inches, 49.5 centimeters from the foundation, and allows you to rotate the monitor from landscape to portrait. Best of all, it's hollow so that you can thread your wires through it, providing a very tidy solution for cable management. On the negative hand, in reality, it is a little fiddly to assemble. So guys, this was the video about the best dual monitor arms. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.